Hey, what's up YouTube? Faded King 951 here, and I'm about to do a demo on pyrostar chroma shells, 60 gram canister shells. I'm gonna do shells 1 through 6, and these are shells 1 through 6. So as you can see here, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 6 is right here. As you can see right there, 6. Yep. So yeah, let me read off the effects. It is gonna be brocade to crown, brocade to brocade, what is this? Brocade crown king and crackling chrysanthemum, brocade crown to neon green dahlia, brocade crown to neon purple dahlia, crackling straight up, and then massive brocade crown with neon red strobe. So yeah, going off by itself, together, and then the last 2 together. So yeah, let's get to it. Shell number 1. Beautiful brocade. Shells 2 and 3. Man, these are really brocade heavy. Nice. 4, 5, and 6. Oh man, that went hard. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.